bit of a DIY video for you here. Back at Christmas 2018, Chris started making this for me. I wanted him to make me a Christmas tree to put in the garden to put some fairy lights on, but you know, life happens and things get in the way, and it didn't happen. So we have now decided, or I asked Chris, I should say, if he could make me a station for the herbs, so that we could put herbs on here in the garden. So he has completed it, he's painted it, as you can see, and now we're just going to decide where we're going to put the jars. And these are literally just coffee jars that we've saved here. I'm going to pop them on, and then I'm going to buy some herbs and literally put the whole plant inside of the jars.
I'll put 3 large jars across the bottom.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So where's the third one going to go? Like
Third one's going to go there.
Yeah.
Then just put 3. 1, 2, 3 big ones there.
Okay. Is that what we've got? 3 big ones then?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. That'll make it look even, won't it? I'm videoing the bumblebee and the flower.
Oh, right.
I don't know. And here we are. So here we are, here we've got the finished result now. I'm standing and it's making it look crooked, but it's literally the way I'm standing, that's better, to stand like that. You can see that it's straight. It's lovely, I really love it. And what a good use of like wood and coffee jars, and isn't it?
Absolutely.
Yeah, so all I need to do now is to go and get the herbs.
Herbs?
And I'll show you it as it's supposed to be and as it's finished. Here we are then, guys. This is the finished result of my little herb station. So what I did is I got the herbs from Tesco's. They were reduced down to £1 from £1.25 on special offer. They weren't like out of, you know, sort of dying or anything. But what I did, I just bought 4 and then split some of them up. Here. I've got thyme here and here, which I split, chives here and here, which I've split, and then the curly parsley there. And then just move this out of the way, and then I just planted up my little herb sort of station here on the table, and I'm loving it. What do you think?